Hello guys, Mike is here, Boomerangme founder, and today in this video I will show you how to install PWA card on your Android device. First of all, you need to open the camera app, scan the QR code and open the card issuing form. Next one, you need to fill your personal data here. I need to change a little bit the number to avoid the duplicates, and we need to push the button install on the home screen and enable push notifications. And the last step, we need to push the button install on the home page, install again, and we need some wait a couple of seconds before card will be installed on